I've been coming here over 20 years.
I believe I was 5 years old when I started coming in here.
I've been coming for 28 years. You actually gave me my first set of hearing aids.
We've seen Dr. John Martinetti for about 10 years.
I've been coming here probably for about 18 or 19 years.
I've been coming to this practice for over 20 years now.
You started at St. Charles, and then I've come here ever since you've been at Port Jefferson Hearing Aid.
You know, so many doctors' offices you go into these days, there's almost a sense like the patient is the enemy. And when you come here, you're welcome and you're appreciated.
Dr. Martinetti, to me, he was very accommodating. He explained everything because I was a little nervous, but he made me feel very good.
Working with you is like just dealing with a relative or a family member. It's really wonderful here, very comfortable.
Family oriented, it's kid friendly, the parents are involved, which I think they should be, and it's comfort, it's a comforting environment.
From the day that I made the initial phone call to inquire about hearing aids, right down to the appointments, everything fell in order to the point where everything was prompt, courteous. I mean, I couldn't be happier.
I always have a first impression of people, and sometimes if I don't get the right impression, I don't want to go back to, even if it's recommended. So the first time I met Dr. Martinetti, I just, a very attractive man and dressed perfectly. I mean, I used to just say, let's see what tie he's going to wear today.
I've called here dozens of times. Michelle, Valor, everyone's wonderful.
I've known them, especially Michelle, for several years, and she knows exactly who I am every time I call the office, knows what I need, and takes care of it for me.
Yes, my mother works here. She's a great worker. I'm happy that she works here because I'm able to get a lot of discounts.
I'm very happy with the service here. And actually, I was sort of surprised. I had, I thought a $50 copay, and 3 weeks later I got it back in the mail. So, you're extremely honest. In this day and age, I mean, it's something like that, I was impressed.
If you don't have the relationship between your doctor and your employee, you have nothing. But I feel comfortable here.
Why would I stop if I wasn't happy or I didn't feel I was being taken care of properly? I wouldn't be coming here this morning.
You don't feel like there's anything wrong with your child or anything. It's where you come, you get what you need.
There's no babying, and there's no guarding the truth.
Everything is handled perfect, just to my liking.
If I was able to recommend anybody, this would be the place that I would have to recommend them to, because the courtesy and the customer service was excellent, right from the front desk, right to you.
I would recommend because I feel I've been coming here for so long. I trust you implicitly, and now I even have brought my daughter here.
And it's the knowledge that, number one, you are knowledgeable, and number two, you are caring. And number three, the products you offer are tremendous. They're really good, and they really help someone's life.
Dr. Martinetti has a big impact on my life. He's basically the reason why I want to become an audiologist. He has helped me and my family through a lot, and getting to where I am today. I go to a very good university, and hopefully I'll be going into graduate school the following semester. So I feel like I'm on a really good track.
This place, you guys make everybody feel as comfortable as possible, and you make sure they leave 100% satisfied.